Okay, so this is the unboxing of this wall-mounted TV hookup thing. There's the instructions, fairly detailed. Here's the guide for putting the holes in your wall till you hit the beams. Comes with a couple of these. Those are the you get two of those, very similar. All the nuts and bolts and screws, washers, one of those level things. There's two of those, and there you go, those two. Okay, anyway, if you missed any of that, here's the pictures. There's it all laid out on the ground. Those are your close-up of your nuts and bolts and washers. And there it is on the wall. There you go. And now you can grab it and tip it forward or back, or push it forward or back, and you can avoid the glare. That's how it looks on the wall.